Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. Today I'm looking at some capacitors. Now, I was in the market for some capacitors. I'm going to be fixing a Bose radio, and I needed like 5 or 6 capacitors to fix circuit the board. Some of the capacitors are bad, so when 1 or 2 are bad, you should replace them all. So there's 6 of them. So the people were selling kits of 6 for like a lot of money, and this was a lot less money. I'm not saying how much, but this is a lot less money. Check this one out here. This is 240 pieces of all different values of resistors that you need. I mean, capacitors. These things you do need. You need capacitors all the time. They're always burning out. They're always blowing out. And this is a nice selection of having them. Instead of just ordering 6 that I need, I figured for a third of the cost, I have all these. I can fix many, many things in the future instead of just buying 6 for 3 times the cost of this one. Let's put it that way, okay? So there's a bunch in each one of them has 10 in each compartment. They give you the card here exactly. So, I'm sorry, they give you the card here so you know exactly which value is in each compartment. The only issue I did see that the largest one here wouldn't fit in here. They kind of fell into here. So I kind of know that they're supposed to be 10, which just one fell over here. And that's fine. Once you learn the values, you can just see where they all belong. You have a chart right here that shows you where they all go. You can see the chart really clear and easy. And it comes in this nice case. And so that's why I want to make this video. There's really no video showing you this. I just want to show you it is exactly as stated. It works perfectly. And I like this selection. That way you have what you need on hand. So that's what it is, guys. This is the company right here that I did buy them from, and came in one day, which is amazing. Thanks, guys. And it came in a decent case, which is great. And it is exactly as stated. So definitely go ahead and purchase them if I feel comfortable that they're fine. I checked some of the values with the meter. Everything is fine. Everything is quality control checked. There's a little paper inside that said they were. And just cool. So just definitely pick this up, guys. There'll be a link down below, of course. It is an affiliate link. And I do get a small commission, as you do know, and help support my channel. And I do appreciate that. And it costs you nothing. So I hope I brought you some value. I wanted to show you about this case, how it comes. Like that, you snap it closed, and they're all inside here and they won't fall out. So that's what I have. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow the channel for more videos just like this, and thanks for watching.